This could be the car for you. The 2022 Kia Soul. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a versatile Kia Soul, the subcompact crossover that's funky, affordable, and loaded with talent. Designed with ample passenger and cargo space, this smooth-riding hatchback also brings touchscreen infotainment, the latest safety tech, and a unique sense of style along on every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, traction control, temporary spare tire. You want to have fun but need to be practical. Don't compromise. Get the best of both worlds with the Soul. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.